To check background running apps on your iPhone 15 or any other iOS device, this works for every device, you need to swipe up and hold. So let me show you guys. From swipe up and hold, as you can see, these are the apps which are running on the background. Let me show you again. You need to swipe up and hold. So again, swipe up and hold. So these are the apps. If you want to close them, just again swipe up, swipe up. So yeah, that's how you check any other apps running on the background. And if you want to close, just swipe up. So right now there is no apps running on the background. Let me close open something. So right now I have opened an app. So as you can see, this is the app on the running on the background. Just swipe up. Yeah, that's how you close any other background running apps on your iPhone. So yeah, thanks for watching.